If you are also interested in transforming your photo into a trendy, cartoony animated image, then stay tuned till the end because this video is for you. Now, without any further ado, let's dive right in. Open up your browser and type in stylar.ai. Simply sign up with Google to get into the interface of stylar.ai. Now let's go to new project. Here on the left hand side, you can see import image option. Click to upload the image that you want to transform. Adjust the ratio by clicking on fit to content. And finally click on image to image option. Choose a style. Here you have different styles to choose from. I will choose luminous portrait. Click the auto prompt by AI to receive a precise description of your image. You can also enhance the structure match and style intensity using these two sliders. And finally click on Stylarize to see the end results. And here you go, in first trial it generates 4 images. And it is pretty obvious that the result is not so satisfactory. So what we can do is choose a photo that is decent enough to use and place it on canvas. Our job here in Stylar is done. So let's export the image. Click on export. Click on export once again. And finally click on save. Now in next step, let us open up our browser once again and type in remaker.ai. Click on face swap menu on the navigation bar and you will be taken to this interface. Upload the AI generated image in the original image place. Upload your normal original image in the target place. And finally click on swap to see the end results. So here is the result. I think it is definitely better than before, but we can definitely work on resolution. So for that, simply download the image by clicking the download button. Click on save. Now to enhance the resolution of your image, open up your browser and type in upscale.org. Download the program to enhance the resolution of your image. Navigate to the left hand side and you can see select image option. Upload the image. Click on open. And finally click on upscale to see the end results. Upscaling the image may take some time, so stay tuned until the end. And here is the result. We can definitely see the difference in resolution between the two images. And that is how you can use different AI websites to enhance your image. And if you are interested in this sort of content, then make sure to subscribe to One Stop Solution and let me know in the comment box what you think about AI generated images. Thank you for watching.